Today we will learn about kinetic molecular theory. Our question of the day is, what is your ideal vacation? Kinetic molecular theory describes the motion of atoms and molecules. Motion is defined by conditions of temperature and pressure. Gases that follow kinetic molecular theory are called ideal gases. There are 5 postulates that make up the kinetic molecular theory. Number 1. Gases contain particles that are in constant, random, straight-line motion. Think of a bouncy ball falling down the stairs. Number 2. When gas particles collide with each other and/or the walls of the container, there is no loss of energy, just a transfer from one to another. These are called elastic conditions. This happens because of the law of conservation of energy. Number 3. Gas particles are very small, and the space between them is very large. For this reason, the volume of individual particles is negligible, which means we can ignore it. The volume of the container is considered the volume of the gas. This is why gases have no defined shape or volume. Number 4. Gas particles do not attract each other. They act as if there are no intermolecular forces because of how far apart they are. And number 5. The kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature of the sample in Kelvin or Celsius. Ideal gases do not exist in real life. They are a hypothetical gas that follows the kinetic molecular theory. Ideal gases exhibit the most gas-like behavior following plight. Plight means that the pressure is low. It's an ideal gas with high temperature. So the force of pushing, which measures how hard the gases push off the walls of the container, is called pressure. It can be measured in atmospheres, ATM, kilopascals, kPa, millimeters of mercury, mmHg, or torr. Atmospheric pressure is 1 atm, which is 760 millimeters of mercury, or 760 torr. Now, pause the video and try the show what you know questions. When you are done, you may hit play and resume to check your answers. Number 1 says gas particles move in loop-de-loops. This is false because gas particles move in straight lines. Number 2 says gas particles feel strong attraction to each other. This is false because gas particles feel no attraction to each other. Number 3 says the volume of individual gas particles is negligible. This is true. Number 4 says ideal gases exist in the real world. This is false. Ideal gases do not exist in the real world. Number 5 says ideal gases exist at high temperature and high pressure. This is false because ideal gases exist at high temperature and low pressure. Number 6 says kilopascals is a unit of pressure. This is true. Number 7 says the temperature of a gas can be measured in Kelvin or Celsius. This is false because the temperature can be measured in Kelvin or Celsius. Number 8 says the kinetic molecular theory describes the motion of particles. This is true. Number 9 says the volume of a gas is the sum of the volume of the individual gas particles. This is false because the volume of a gas is determined by the volume of its container. Number 10 says pressure is the measure of the force of pushing. This is true.